David here, aka Fred Sanford. Many of you probably experienced weather this year, unusual. Here in Michigan, we've been having weather, raining during the winter, and it's been melting and refreezing and melting and refreezing, and it's doing a number on my roof. I'm telling you that right now. It just keeps getting worse. And the reason I was trying to raise $60,000 to fix that roof. I got it under plastic now. She was getting wet. Still a little wet. Still a little wet. Would ever stop. So, I don't know what's going to happen, but I mean, I got a lot of sewing machines, so I'm going to go, I think, and see what I could do about finding some big rolls of plastic today and covering these machines up in case, I don't know what's going to happen with this roof. So beginning part right there that's bending a little bit. So I was able to create the world's biggest ice cube. It wasn't really a lot of fun wheeling that out here and then tipping it by myself. What to do about the roof. $50,000, $60,000, that's the number I'm looking for. I can't get a loan, or I would have done that already. I would have done that. I have no problem paying it in payments. But I don't qualify for a loan. I am accepting donations. All donations will go into Sewing Machine Heaven Showroom Fund, which this spring I'm going to fix up the end part, the other end unit, and I'm going to take most of these fancy treadles over there, I think. That's a shingled roof, so there will be no issues with water. Get as many of these, the best machines over there as I can, and get plastic over the rest. And just gonna have to deal with this here. I think I'm gonna hang up plastic up here and direct that to one spot, and that way my floors, we're starting to get damage on the floors. I should have done that in the fall. I'm gonna leave a link to my PayPal account if anyone wants to send a donation. Just put on their roof fund. I hope days will get better. Thanks for watching.